gene expression include number one, sensor genes. Second one is the integrator gene. The third one is the receptor gene, and the fourth one is the producer gene. So according to the Breeton-Davidson model, there are 4 regions present on the eukaryotic DNA, which constitute a model, which constitute an operand model, and that model is known as the Breeton-Davidson model, named after the Breeton and Davidson. And this model, this Breeton-Davidson model, is also known as gene battery model. This model is also known as the operand operator model. So this Breeton-Davidson model have different names, and these 2 different names are the gene battery model or operand operator model. And according to this model, there are 4 regions on the DNA, and these regions include number one, the sensor regions, sensor genes, the integrator gene, and receptor gene, and producer gene. And these 4 regions and these 4 genes constitute a circuit, and that's a circuit of the Breeton-Davidson model. And the sensor and integrators are present in association with one another. Similarly, the receptor and producer genes are also present in association with one another. What does it mean? It means that there is a presence of a single sensor region. Okay? And with one sensor region, there may be presence of one or more than one integrator gene. The sensor region is very important. The sensor gene is very important, and this sensor gene is meant for receiving the signal. And the signal, what type of signal? The chemical signal, the molecular signal, and the environmental signal. You know that this molecule, which molecule? The signal molecule, which may be a hormone, which may be a protein, which may be any chemical, or which may be the environmental factors. So the sensor region, the sensor gene perceives, the sensor gene receives the signal, and the signal may be in the form of chemical, may be in the form of environmental factor. So this sensor region is meant for sensing the signal or a stimulus. And when this sensor region gets stimulated, or when the sensor region perceives the signal, molecular signal or environmental signal, the sensor region or the sensor gene becomes active. And the sensor region on getting activated or stimulated, it activates the integrator gene, which is linked with the sensor region. And when the integrator gene gets activated, it activates the receptor gene. And when receptor gene gets activated, it stimulates or it activates the producer gene, which remains associated with the receptor gene. And when the producer gets activated, it promotes or it starts the transcription, and in this way transcription of the eukaryotic gene takes place. And to explain this mechanism in detail, I have drawn the sketch of this Breeton-Davidson model on the whiteboard, and just look at the whiteboard to understand this Breeton-Davidson model. सबा, हेलो सबा।
हाँ सर, देख रहे हैं।
दिख
रहा? हाँ सर, दिख रहा है।
क्या दिख रहा है बताओ।
IR के इंटीग्रेटर जीन और रेगुलेटर जीन, प्रोड्यूसर जीन, उसके बाद आधा दिखा ब्रीटन-डाइविसन मॉडल, फिर RP करके के सर कुछ है उसमें दिख रहा है, बस आधा था।
ठीक है, ओके। Now let us try to understand this Breeton-Davidson model. I have written here regulation of gene expression in eukaryote, and this regulation and Breeton-Davidson model. This Breeton-Davidson model is also known as, I have written here, gene battery model or operand operator model. And this model was proposed in 1969 by the Breeton and Davidson. And according to Breeton and Davidson, there are 4 genes. Number one, sensor genes, integrator genes, receptor genes, and producer genes. And these 4 genes constitute a battery of gene, and this is the circuit. look here, the sensor gene remains associated with the integrator gene, whereas this receptor gene remain associated with the producer gene. And you will be, I have pointed out here that with one sensor gene, there may be linked one or more than one integrator gene. A single integrator gene may remain associated with the sensor, or there may be more than one integrator associated with the sensor region. Similarly, with a single receptor gene, there may be with a single producer gene, there may be one or more than one receptor gene. What does it mean? It means that the number of integrator and number of receptors may be one or more than one, but the number of sensor gene is always one, and the number of producer gene is always one, single. A single sensor is present, a single producer is present, but the number of integrator may be one or more than one. Similarly, the number of receptor may be one or more than one. So what does have, how, now look at the functioning of this how does this Britton-Davidson model functions? Look, this is the sensor region, and this sensor region receives or perceives the molecular signal, and when this sensor region gets activated by receiving the signal molecule, the sensor region gets activated, and when this sensor gets activated, it in turn stimulates the integrator gene, and when the integrator gene gets activated, it produces some chemical, and that chemical binds with the receptor, and when it stimulates the receptor, and when the receptor gene gets stimulated, it in turn stimulate the producer gene, and when the producer gene gets activated, the transcription takes place. So this is the mechanism of working of this Britton-Davidson model. How does it work? The sensor region is a very important, because this sensor gene is meant for receiving the signal, and this signal may be molecular signal, a chemical signal, or environmental factor. So this sensor, why this gene is known as sensor? Because it has capacity to sense the molecular signal, which may be hormone or any chemicals, or which may be changes in the environmental factor. So when the sensor gets when sensor receives the signal, and when the sensor receives the signal, the sensor get activated, and when the sensor get activated, it activates in turn the integrator, and when the integrator gets activated, it produces some chemical, and that chemical binds with the receptor, and this binding activate the receptor, and when the receptor gets activated, it in turn stimulates producer, and when the producer gets activated, it brings about and it leads to the transcription of the eukaryotic gene. So this is the Britton-Davidson model, and the working mechanism of this Britton-Davidson model. But I have already pointed here out that this model is a purely hypothetical method. It is a speculative model. This model has no experimental proof, but the Britton-Davidson model, up to some extent, explain the mechanism of regulation of gene expression in eukaryotes. Am I clear, Sabha?
जी सर.